In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit margins in Canva. Let's start by opening up Canva and heading to your design. This can be any type of project: a poster, a document, a social media graphic, or even a presentation. Once your design is open on the canvas, make sure you're in the main editor view, where you can see your page in the center and the toolbar around it. Now, to work with margins in Canva, the key tool you'll use is called Margins and Rulers. These don't change your content automatically, but they give you clear guides so you can keep your text, photos, and elements neatly aligned and away from the edges. First, look towards the top of the screen for the View menu. Click on View, and in the drop-down, choose Show Margins. When you turn this on, you'll see a faint dotted rectangle appear inside your page. This dotted box represents your margin area. Anything placed inside that box is safely away from the edge, which is especially important if you're planning to print your design. If you don't see the View option, it may be hidden behind 3 dots or a similar icon near the top right. Click that, then look for View, and again, select Show Margins. You can turn this setting on or off at any time, so if the guides feel distracting, just repeat the process to hide them. By default, Canva's margin guides are set to a standard distance from the edge. While you can't type in an exact margin value like in a word processor, you can visually control your layout. The best way to edit your margins is to align your elements to these guides. Select a text box or image, then drag it so that its edges sit just inside the dotted margin line. This keeps everything uniform and gives your design a clean, professional look. For even more control, you can also turn on rulers and guides from the same View menu. With rulers visible, you can drag your own custom guides from the top or side rulers onto the page. Place these guides exactly where you want more precise margins, then line your elements up to them. This is very helpful if you're designing for print and you know specific safe areas or fold lines. As you adjust your layout, zoom in to check that nothing important is too close to the edge. Keep titles, logos, and key details comfortably inside the margin guides, especially near corners. That's all you need to edit and manage margins in Canva. Turn on margin guides, align your content within them, and use rulers and custom guides for extra precision.